Okay, you're welcome to Six Figures Online Academy YouTube channel. I see your homeboy, Igwe John. If you're here, you're about to discover how to be a broke free student while in school. Yeah. Now, today we're going to talk about arbitrage, arbitrage, product arbitrage, all right? Product arbitrage. Now, you'll be wondering, what is product arbitrage? Some of you must have come across product arbitrage and never knew they can actually make good money out of it. Now here you can see, as I said, here you can see a student of mine already is already cashing out 15 to 20,000 naira weekly just selling products. So product arbitrage, what does it mean? Right? So product arbitrage simply mean taking advantage of product difference in the market, right? Taking advantage of product difference in the market. So in this case, it actually be buying a discounted what product. That is what product arbitrage simply mean. It's about buying and selling. You buy low, you sell high to interested individuals, right? To interested individuals. And you'll be wondering as a student, can this actually work? It's very simple. You just have to be diligent in dealing with all these things. Alright? So now let's move on. Why product arbitrage for you as a student? Number one is it has a low startup cost. A low startup cost. You can start with very, very low or minimal amount of money. Okay? Two, it is very fast. It is very, very what fast. It's a business you can launch within few days. It's a business you can, in fact, you can start it right about now. Recently this week, I saw a post on this hijet mini buses, right? So I went online myself and I went to Gigi, I went to a lot of places, and I was able to sort out a good deal of that product. I sought it out, and guess what? I got a good deal and advertised. Currently, I have not gotten a buyer, but I have begun to make engagement. People have started showing interest, and we have started bargaining. Now, guess I saw one for 1.2 million, and guess what? I'm selling at 1.5 million. And now the other person is actually bargaining for 1.4, and I'm telling him the last I can give him is 1.450. 1.450. Yes, I bought that. Now somebody gave me a price at 1.2 million, so you can see the margin. And the good news that I don't own this bus. This bus is somewhere in Lagos, in Oshodi. Another one is somewhere in Onitsha. So that is product arbitrage. It doesn't matter. It could be clothes, it could be weave-ons, it could be laptops, it could be cars, it could be it could be a house. Right? That is how simple this is. And as a student, you can also do the same thing. So it's easy to start, okay? It's also fast. You understand? It's also fast. Very, very fast. It's something that you can deploy now and boom. It will amaze you how people begin to flock into your WhatsApp or your funnel to actually ask you, these are I need this, I need this, I need this. And the next one is you don't have to own your own product. You don't have to own your own product. Like the example I gave you guys, how I was able to source out for a hijet minibus, right? And am selling it out. It's not my property. I didn't go to Cotonou. That I didn't import it. All those clearance due, none of that. Alright, so you don't have to own your product. You don't have to own your product. As a student, imagine the stress that you want to go through trying to source for products abroad or whatever. All you need to do is just get those people that have the product, strike a deal with them, and you're good to go. So you don't have to own a product. And the next one is it is passive. I'm just trying to show you why arbitrage for you as a student. It is passive. I said the startup cost is low. You can start it very fast. You don't have to own your product, and it is passive, guys. It is passive. So That's it. Next, we are going to look now is how to get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is basically to source out for what? For product. You have to know which product. As I said, you have to know which product. You have to go out and source for product. We are in school environment. Look at for what is actually trending. What product can you, what service can you render? Look for what is look for what is trending. Source for product. I made an example with a minibus hijet product. Okay, so you need to source out for product. As I said earlier, you can go to Minimart, you can go to your local store in your area, move around. This is the hardest part of it, but this is the hardest part of it. The next thing you have to find the market. The market actually means your audience. Your audience, this or those people that you feel will love what you have to offer. Okay, during Christmas period, during Christmas season, of course, you know what is trending. You know what you want to sell. Those that are advertising Christmas trees, Christmas clothes for children, for kids, right? What you need to do is go out and source for that product. So you have to look for a particular product that you know that is in demand, and you need to find the market. It's all about finding the market. Know the market. If you don't have an existent clients or customer base, you have to develop one. You have to look for one. The lifeline of every business is what? Is the customers. You need customers. Okay, so that is number two. Number three, on how to get started. When you're able to source for product, you need to negotiate on the price. I made a mention example with the hijet and minibus. I was told I was given the price and negotiated for 1.2 million, and now I'll end up selling at 1.450. You can look at the margin. So negotiate the price, work out your logistic, then add your what? Add your price, add your interest. That is the game. That is what it's all about. Adding your what? Your interest. And as this may seem, trust me, you can do this in your phone, with your phone rather. You can do this wherever you are, just with your phone. Okay, and I'm going to put more light on that. So the next one is going to be, you need to advertise what you're selling. Advertise your service. Is very, very important to advertise. If you do the whole of all these things, you cannot get your services out there, then guess what? It amounts to nothing, right? It amounts to nothing. And I can tell you, this is one of the easiest way you can cash out as a student. One of the easiest way you can cash out as a student. Then the last one on how to get started, you have to learn to automate. You have to learn to automate your process. You are a student, so you have a lot of things to do in school. You can't actually rely only on manual. You have to automate. There are automation. When you automate this system, then it's going to be a passive source of income. All you'll be seeing will be others for you to what? To confirm. So automation is key. Automation is what is key, guys. So as I said, this is what arbitrage is all about. Buy low, you say high, and you don't have to own a product of your own. So yes, guys, if you are really looking for how to be a broke-free student while still in school, I recommend you to put this particular training into work. Right, just start immediately. Start immediately, and I'm telling you, within the next 1 2 weeks, you begin to see results. So please, if you have enjoyed this content, if you have seen value in this content, kindly um, drop your comments, give me your feedback. All right, you can click the like button to help this channel grow. Okay, also if you're a newcomer, please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified on the next video training that I'll be releasing on how to be a broke free student. All right, so I'm looking forward to seeing the next training. Enjoy your evening. Bye bye.